Hello, everyone. This is Kelly, and that's Sherry right there. Say hi, Sherry.
Hi.
And she is going to show you how she takes her products to her shows and does her party bags. She's so efficient, and she has a brand new car, and she's got it all organized. So here you go. Take it away, Sherry.
Well, when I go to my parties, I like to have at least 2 party bags to carry in with me, since my goal is 2 shows per show booked. So instead of making all the bags up like this ahead of time and having them travel and fall over and get crumpled in my car, I got so tired of that I thought, totes, I need totes. So what I did was, if you want to make a close-up, Cal, I went ahead and assembled my gallon Ziploc bags, which each have 1 set of plates, napkins, and forks, and very, very affordable to do. There's 10 of each in there. Put those in here, and then of course it stays covered and locks down. And over here I have all my party bags that are ready, and you'll love this. They are completely ready, in the point where there is my gift. And what I don't have in the truck right now is a small tote that's upright that all my host packets are lined up in, and usually I would just have that sitting there. And I would just grab one of these, open it up like so, grab a hose packet, put it in, usually sticks up like this, count 10 cups out, grab that, and carry it into the house. I could do it before I left for the show, or I can do it when I get there if I forget. Very simple to do. And then my bag for my products is here. My pink Craftsman tote is there. And my show bag is there. That's it. All ready. You can stop me on the side of a highway and have me do a show for you if you need to.
I love that, Sherry. Thank you for sharing that with us. And let's check out Sherry's new car.
Paid for by Pampered Chef.
Woohoo! It's very nice. Very nice. Oh, let's get a look. Oh, yeah, it's the Pampered Chef mobile. Thanks again, Sherry. Wave. There she is. Okay, thanks a lot.